it's Michelle with Pink and Main. I'm here to open day 18 of our Advent calendar for 2024 with you. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're excited to see what's inside. I picked up this bag, day number 18, to open it with you, and I thought, what in the world? It feels like an empty bag. So let's go ahead and let's see what is in this bag. Like I said, I pulled this out of the box and I said, what in the world? It's just a bag, right? No, there's got to be something inside. So let's open it up. Oh, look at that. It's a stencil. How fun. I don't know if you can see on the camera. This is a super fun stencil. It's got all kinds of words like hip hip hooray, happy birthday, party time, celebrate, all over the stencil with some stars in there as well. I can't wait to create with this one. This looks super fun. And this will go along with that word die that we opened a couple days ago that said hip hip hooray. Could definitely use it with this stencil, make a nice background and put that word die. We're going to have to do some creating soon. I think tomorrow we will create at least one card, maybe more, because we've opened so many items that I haven't created with. I might just have a bunch of fun and create more than one card. Be sure to join me and we will do some creating and we'll open day 19. It's getting closer and closer. I can't believe Christmas is right around the corner. And we're coming to the end of the Advent calendar. What are we going to do? It's so much fun opening something every day. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So until tomorrow, keep living the creative life and have a good evening.